BMP-1U Shkval is the best modernization version of BMP-1, result of advanced complex upgrade. Main battle tank Oplot is specially designed for operations in the mountain and desert terrain and is known for unsurpassed protection. Multifunctional wheeled 4x4 combat vehicle Dozor B, the fighting armored vehicle 4x4 Kozak at the government test stage, available for export. The modern Ukrainian armored personnel carrier 8x8 BTR-3E, armored personnel carrier 8x8 BTR-4E Bucefal is a result of new innovative design and technologies. BMP-T-64 is designed for direct support of infantry on the battlefield. MBT Bulat is a result of the MBT T-64BV effective complex upgrading for the Ukrainian army. Ukraine is a cradle of MBT engine technology, having implemented an exceptional family of TD series hybrid outpost piston turbo engines with capacity from 250 up to 1800 horsepower, which have been installed and proved in thousands of armored vehicles. Tank T-72M1 complex upgrade comprises the best design engineering solutions and technologies. T-72M1 tank upgrade includes complex modifications on the combat vehicle for the purpose of the technical life extension and for the improvement of combat efficiency, repairability and crew habitability. The tank modernization can be undertaken during the course of overhaul at repair workshops. Modernization would achieve the following: enhanced firepower due to fitment of gun with improved ballistics and operating characteristics, modern fire control system for main and supplementary weapons, which increases its range and accuracy during day and night, barrel-launched laser-guided anti-tank missile, commander's panoramic sight. Upgrade mobility due to power pack unit with more powerful engine with the ability to operate at temperatures of 55 degrees by Celsius with minimal power losses. New transmission system, automatic engine and transmission system control, deep fording capability without preliminary preparation, compact APU. Upgraded protection due to laser warning and countermeasure system F3. Active Protection System заслон, Dynamic Era Panels нож. Quick Response Integrated Fire Detection and Suppression System, complete vehicle concealment at different bands of electromagnetic spectrum, multispectral camouflage nets. Upgraded habitability due to air conditioner. Our proposal for the upgrade of main battle tank Arjun is as follows. Radio navigation equipment of satellite navigation SN, autonomous television reconnaissance facilities, modern communication facilities, enhanced firepower due to fire control system for launching of tank-guided missile Konus, through barrel of the existing tank gun, static or on the move, day and night conditions from the existing gunner's control panel. Autonomous RCWS anti-aircraft gun stabilized in 2 panels. Enhanced mobility. The power plant 6TD4 1800 horsepower with unique feature of reliable operations in low temperature and even at high temperatures at plus 55 degrees by Celsius with minimal loss of power. Reverse transmission. Engine and transmission control system. Equipment ensuring deep fording without any special preparation. Rear view camera. Driver thermal device TVN 5M for driving at the night. Integrated simulator for training. Upgrade protection as follows. Laser warning and countermeasure system F3. Active protection system заслон. All-round protection even against top attack. New generation dynamic era panels duplet, fully effective against tandem warhead. Improvement of anti-mine protection with Garand jamming system for radio control explosive devices. Upgraded habitability due to NBC protection system PRHR M1, IFDSS3EC13, air conditioner, ergonomics upgrade. BMP-2 upgrade comprises of inexpensive solutions for prolongation of life cycle of the ICV, whilst concurrently enhance the combat characteristics, repairability, including crew and troops habitability. radio navigation equipment of satellite navigation (SN), autonomous television reconnaissance facilities. Modern communication facilities, upgrade program includes equipment for combat enhancement. Universal RCWS Sturm M includes 30mm automatic gun ZM2, 7.62mm anti-aircraft gun, 40mm automatic grenade launcher UG-40. The Sturm M design allows quick replacement or substitution of the weapon systems. Fire control system includes Sight OTP-20 integrated with guided missiles, fire control system and weapon stabilizer SVU-500. The above complex is of most modern technology and based on the optical television multi-channel sight coupled with thermal sight, missiles laser beam guidance channel in single block with laser range finder. 130mm twin launcher ATGM Barrier B. The 30mm dual feed gun has capacity of ready ammunition of 350 rounds. The 7.62mm AA gun has ammunition of 2500 rounds. On the left side of the turret, 30mm 40mm AGL is installed with belt-fed 29 grenades ready to use, and additional 87 grenades are reserved, 3 cartridges of 29 grenades each. Engine 3TD2 with capacity of 400 horsepower and auxiliary power unit AE10U with capacity of 10 kW are used for enhance of mobility. The main advantages of the engine are enhanced power to weight ratio, electronic control system, insignificant power loss at plus 55 degrees and in high altitude areas, capability of cold start without preheater. The proposed upgrade has the possibility to fit within the existing spaces and layout of other systems without disturbing its center of gravity or impairing any of its functional or operational characteristics, including flotation. Protection level is enhanced by installation of the LWCS F3 all-round active protection system шершень. New generation dynamic era panels нож L. Garand jamming system. upgraded habitability due to air conditioner. Main purpose of IRV T-72 modernization program is the motor transmission unit upgrade, MTU similar to tanks T-72 T-90. This includes installation of new engine, APU and air conditioner into the existing power pack compartment of the vehicle without any major cutting. The above modernization is intended to achieve the following: installation of the diesel engine instead of standard diesel engine, increasing power to weight ratio, efficient high temperature operation and easy maintenance. Installation of CMCS will effectively provide the functions of automatic transmission. In the current configuration, forced cooling of radiators is used, the fan will be upgraded. ARV T-72 upgrade enables reliability of operation in temperatures plus 55 degrees without any capability limitation. Installation of the electronic engine warning system enables audio-visual indication for any deviations from the standard operating parameters of the power plant, the main engine and the APU. The system has built-in test facility with automatic power load management, changeover along Being a cradle of defense technologies of the erstwhile Soviet Union, Ukraine consolidated the achievements and potential of the armored combat vehicles design under the Kharkiv-Morozov Machine Building Design Bureau. FMBT's mobility will be defined by the power output of our diesel engine 6 TD3 1500 horsepower or 6 TD4 1800 horsepower. These engines can work on any fuel type, including fuel of foreign manufacturers. The engine is connected with a generator supplying electricity on board to the electric motors that will rotate the driving sprockets. Maximum driving speed would be 100 km per hour on plains and the cross-country speed up to 65 km per hour. Rear view camera, driver thermal device TVN 5M for driving at the night, integrated simulator for training. Firepower of the FMBT will consist of a weapon complex and fire control system. Above systems will be detecting, identifying and lock on target, ensuring direct hit and kill at long range. Hit probability for the armored targets for direct fire at distances less than 5,000 meters will be close to 100%. Such tanks will be able to engage ground and air targets in all directions, by day and night and all weather conditions. It would also be able to engage under EM noise conditions or even under NBC attack. The armament of the FMBT will ensure multi-target engagement at 10,000 meter distance in even helicopters or other aerial targets. The weapon complex will be a RCWS. Tank commander and the gunner will be located inside the chassis, with panoramic monitoring systems operating in all weather conditions, all visibility conditions and smoke. FMBT construction will comprise future technologies in the sphere of stealth, thus effectively decreasing enemy hit probability and also have a protection against enemy anti-tank threats. High-level protection will also be ensured by LWCS towards detection in the IR spectrum through countermeasure by aerosol smoke grenades, multispectral nets, active and dynamic protection systems, composite and integral modular armor. Above-mentioned systems will have automatic activation function. The tank is planned to be equipped with the integrated system for crew training and simulation. This would make it possible to considerably shorten the time and cost of training of the crew and other specialists. Future main battle tank. Combat battle management system will be installed on the tank FMBT, including 360-degree automatic multi-sensor system for target detection and fire control. The automatic detection of the ground and air targets will be achieved through thermal sights, radars and optical sights. Above sensors ensure target detection and identification, designate and classify threats, including automatic target tracking during the mission. Also, the instrument complex will include NBC warning systems, climate control panel, IR suppressor, MAWS and LWCS. Upgraded habitability due to air conditioner. Future infantry combat vehicle. Mobility at high altitude would be ensured by using engines 3TD for 600 horsepower. APU FE10U 10 kW, hydromechanical electromechanical transmission system. The combat compartment would be equipped with the commander and the gunner operating consoles in the FICV chassis, a 30mm 57mm automatic main gun with AP ammunition, automatic fire control system integrated with modern guided armaments, and autoloader with auto selection of ammunition types. Would be located in the remote combat module. Two twin launchers for ATGM Barrier B coupled 7.62mm AA gun and 40mm automatic grenade launcher UG are installed on the combat module. complex multi-echelon protection will be ensured with the installation of the LWCS F3 APS-L for operating modules, Dynamic Era Panels ракетка, Garand jammers for radio control of explosive devices. Radio navigation equipment of satellite navigation SN. Autonomous television reconnaissance facilities. Modern communication facilities. Upgraded habitability due to air conditioner. Multifunctional vehicle executed as APC purposes for military divisions till squad, quick delivery and discovering support can be using to install of any weapons and military equipment. Completed arming of main vehicle components, cabin, power unit, fuel tanks, accumulator, transmission compositions and transport module. Rear view camera. High firepower combat module is provided with installation Sturm M with weapons and related equipment. High mobility is provided through an engine 3TD2 400 horsepower. Protection against small arms and weapons of mass destruction provides solid body supporting structure, reinforced armor steel double doors and sidewalls. The armored protection level of the vertical sides bulletproof glass, engine compartment according to 3A of the Stanak 4569. It is a bulletproof standard that protects from the 7.62 x 51 mm armored piercing bullet on distance 30 meters at the head speed 930 meters per second. Combat vehicle equipped with complex of active protection Шершень and complex of dynamic protection Нож-Л. Protection level is enhanced by installation of the LWCS F3 all-round active protection system Шершень, new generation dynamic era panels Нож-Л, radio navigation equipment of satellite navigation (SN), autonomous television reconnaissance facilities, modern communication facilities, upgraded habitability due to air conditioner, The training class of the performance characteristics learning includes disassembled cut plane equipment, blocks on the test stand, purpose to learning of the structure and work of the aggregates, assemblies, equipments, standard working of and practice work. The automated computer class purpose for theoretical necessary training of the trainees. It includes computer technical facilities package based on multimedia interactive programs. The simulator has hollow structure of the object installed on the 2D, 3D, 6D platform, equipped with training blocks, equipments, simulators, sets, simulators of the insight laser irradiation point and attack facilities. Technical specialist at the object maintenance, preparation to combat usage, defects removal, combat usage with real attack facilities animation visualization. The firing range complex facility is basic module of the being training objects, ground equipment and purpose to make a shooting mark at the single shooting from standard weapons and combat vehicles of the military and security organizations. Using for tactical maneuvers and combat shooting by the mechanized tank, airborne, artillery, anti-aircraft divisions on the standard ground conditions and on the temporary given ground for military training. Specific feature of the set from the current samples is cabling absence, not required costs for buying, installing, maintenance, renewal, guarding.